In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning graphic design using Canva. We'll walk you through the process from start to finish, ensuring every detail is covered so you can generate your unique designs with confidence. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to open Canva. It's a fantastic online tool that's both versatile and user-friendly, perfect for beginners and experienced designers alike. With a fresh workspace in front of you, it's time to prepare your design. Imagine the look and feel you're going for, whether it's minimalistic chic or vibrant with color. Now let's bring that vision to life. Once your design's look is set, head over to the text option in the side panel. This is where the fun begins. Click on Add a Heading to start crafting your text element. Type in the message you want to convey, remembering that the words you choose will be the focal point of your creation. Adjust the size of the text to make sure it fits perfectly within your design. You want it to be easily readable, so take a moment here to play around with the sizes until it's just right. Now, it's time to personalize the font style. Canva offers a myriad of font styles to choose from, so take your time exploring which one speaks to your design's theme. Once you've selected a font style, it's time to infuse some color. Change the font color to complement the overall design palette you have in mind. With the initial design in place, download it by clicking on the download button. Make sure to select the option for a transparent background. This step ensures that only your text is prominent without any distracting background colors. Moving on, let's add another page to our design project. Change the background color of this new page. This will set the stage for the next steps. Now, upload the image you just downloaded with a transparent background. Simply drag it onto your new page, positioning it as you see fit. Next, you need to crop your text. This helps in focusing on the essential elements for the upcoming steps. Once your text is cropped neatly, head over to the Edit section. By clicking on Shadows, you can select the Glow option. Here, increase the size of the glow effect and decrease the blur amount to refine its sharpness. Increasing the transparency will give it a more polished look. After achieving the right effect, download this page again with a transparent background. Upload this newly created image and drag it onto your third page. In the Edit menu, under Shadows, select Glow once more. This time, change the shadow color to white for a striking contrast. Again, increase the size, decrease the blur, and up the transparency. Download this third page with a transparent background and upload it again. Drag your image onto a fourth and final page. Head back to Edit, choose Shadows, and this time, click Drop. This is your final result, a culmination of carefully considered steps and creative decisions. Now go ahead and download it. You've just created a beautiful custom graphic in Canva. Congratulations.